Morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. So children, the previous class I have started a new lesson number 6 it is 4 good habits. Is it? So today in this class we will have a recap of this and we are going to complete the exercise part of this lesson. Okay children, so should we start the recap of this lesson. So what are good habits? So good habits makes us good. Is it? So we should always follow the good habits. So good habits makes us good. They also keep us safe and free from diseases. So if we follow the good habits, they also keep us safe from diseases. So we should always maintain good habits. Good habits makes us good. So in this lesson we are going to learn some of the good habits. What are the good habits we have to follow to keep ourselves safe and free from diseases. Okay, so first we'll see how we will keep our body fit. So by doing the exercises, okay, by doing some exercises, we can keep our body active and fit. Okay, by doing the exercises, we can keep our body active and fit. So it is a good habit. You can do the walking also. So you children playing, okay, playing also it's a sort of exercises for your body. Okay, so you children, you should play also. Okay, so playing is also a sort of exercise. So it keeps your body active and fit. Okay, so exercises, doing exercises to keep your body fit. Okay, active and fit. So it is a good habit. So you can see some people they do jogging, they walk or cycling. So all these are, why do they do this? To keep the body active and fit. So it is a good habit. And keeping a correct posture. Okay, so while walking or while sitting for reading or writing, you should follow, you should keep your body a correct posture. Okay, while walking also you should keep a correct posture with your head straight. Okay, head straight, your chest out and head high when you walk. And while sitting also you should follow the correct posture. Okay, while your back should be straight. Okay, while sitting. So these are some of the postures, good postures, correct postures you have to follow. So here in this lesson you can see that Subodh keeps the correct posture. How? Sit straight while you sit and study. You should not bend. Okay, while sitting and studying, you should always sit straight. Okay, you should sit straight while sitting and studying. Keep your chest out and head high when you walk. You can see the picture here how the Subodh is following the good posture, how he is walking. Your chest should be out and the head should be high when walking. You will not bend and walk, is it? So you should always, when walking, your chest should be out and the head should be high, head high when you walk. Keep the back straight, always the back, your back should be straight, not bending down. Okay, so these are some of the postures you have to follow while sitting or walking. Okay, when you are sitting in the classroom also, you should always sit straight. Okay, sit straight, your back should be straight. So these are some of the good postures. Okay, you have to follow. So these are the good habits. Okay, so the good postures. And next it is to keep the body clean. How can you keep your body clean? How can you keep your body clean? Yes, so you will take bath regularly. You should take bath regularly to keep the body clean. So not only like this, you should go, okay, going to toilet regularly. So it is a good habit, going to toilet regularly. Wash hands before day. Take bath regularly. Okay, after taking bath, you should wear neat and clean clothes. Comb your hair with clean comb. Wash your hands before and after meals. Okay, go to toilet regularly. Take a proper sleep for at least 6 to 8 hours daily. Okay, so these are some of the rules which you can follow to keep your body clean and healthy. If you follow these rules, you can keep your body clean and healthy. And there are some of the golden rules for good health. Follow the golden rule for good health. What is that? Early to bed and early to rise. Okay, so these are the golden rule for the good health. Should always go to bed early and wake up early. Early to bed and early to rise. Apart from this, there are other good habits to be followed. Okay, so not only keeping your body clean, doing exercises, we have some of the good habits to be followed. So what are they? We should use the magic words like please, thank you and sorry. Okay, so you should use these magical words when and where it is necessary. So what are the magical words? Please, thank you, sorry. So use these. If you use these words, magical words when and where it is necessary, it can steal one's heart. Okay, so these are some of the good habits. Use these words whenever it is necessary. Keep the things at proper place. All the things should be kept at the proper place, whether it is your books or might be your toys or it might be your clothes. Everything should be kept at a proper place, not scattered here and there, throwing out here and there, everything after your use. After your use, keep it at a proper place. Greet the visitors with warmth. Okay, so if some visitors are coming to your house, you should greet them with warmth. So it is a good habit. Always do this. Okay, you should greet the visitor with warmth. Respect your elders. Always respect your elders. Take care for your youngsters. You should take care of your youngsters also. And some of the other good habits are never waste food. Take how much ever you can finish. Okay, not taking too much of food and wasting it. You should not do this. Never waste the food. Okay, you should not waste the food. Take how much ever you can finish it. Okay, children, should not waste the food. And wipe your feet on the doormat before entering the house. So like this you can keep your house clean. Okay, while entering after playing, we will come to house, right? So after that, while entering the house, wipe your feet. Okay, wipe your feet on the doormat. So you might have seen everyone's house, there will be a doormat at the entrance of the house, is it? So you should wipe your feet on the doormat before entering the house. So these are some of the other good habits which you have to follow in your daily lives. So good habits make us good. Okay, so good habits make us good. So you have to follow all these good habits in your daily lives. Okay, children, so these are some of the good habits which you have learned in this lesson. So here I have completed the explanation of this. Now, so there are some do's and don'ts in this lesson. What are the do's here? Brush your teeth twice a day, as I told you before that. Brush your teeth. Should always brush your teeth twice a day. Blow your nose in a clean handkerchief. Okay, blow your nose in a clean handkerchief. Take proper food and rest. Okay, you should take the proper food and rest to keep your body healthy and fit. Okay, if you take proper rest, if you give proper rest for your body, then only your body will be healthy. You can stay fit and active. Proper food and rest is required for your body to stay healthy. And what are the don'ts? Do not wipe your hands on your clothes. You should not do that. Okay, you should not wipe your hands on your clothes what you be shared with the others. So these are some of the tools. So good habits make us good person. So always follow these good habits in your life. So this good habits makes you a good person, and it also keep us safe and healthy. Okay children, so now everyone open your textbook, Sem 1 textbook, page number 207. We are going to fill the exercise of this lesson. Okay, everyone open your textbook, page number 207. Be ready with your pencil, eraser, all those things. We are going to complete the exercise part of this lesson. Okay children, open your textbook. So children, everyone open your Sparrow Sem 1 textbook, lesson number 6, form good habits. Okay, so here there are some pictures. We'll see whether it is right or wrong. You can see a picture here. The boy is putting his finger into the nose. Whether it is a good habit? No. Put a wrong mark here. And here he is trimming his nails. Yes, it is a good habit. Put a tick mark, and you can see the boy wearing a shabby clothes, unclean clothes. Whether it is good? No, you should always wear neat and clean clothes. So this is wrong. And here, brushing your teeth. Yes, it is a good habit. So tick here, good habit. Okay. So next you can see in the page number 205, make the daily routine chart by putting up time. So here there is a daily routine chart here. This you have to do it by yourself. Okay, you can take the help of your parents. You can write here I get up at. You can write the timings here. I take bath. I go to school. You should write the timings here. Okay, at what time I take my lunch. I come back from school. I rest for 1 hour. I go to play. I drink milk. I do my homework. I take the dinner. I go to sleep. This you have to do it by yourself. Okay children. So now we'll move on to the next page. Page number 207. Page number 207. Exercise. First mean cross the odd man out. Okay, so here are some of the words. We have to cross the odd one. So first one, brush, toothpaste, teeth, gloves. So which is the odd one here? Yes, gloves. So cross it. Next, milk, table, vegetables, fruits. So which is the odd one here? Table. Third one, necklace, uniform, shoes, school. Yes, necklace. Next, fourth one, lunch, dinner, summer, breakfast. It is summer. The last one, nail cutter, comb, handkerchief, ball. Which is the odd one here? Ball. Like this you have to cross the odd man out. Okay. So now we'll move on to the second mean, fill in the blanks. First one, I dash my shoes daily. I polish. P-O-L-I-S-H. I polish my shoes daily. P-O-L-I-S-H. Polish. Second one, I use dash words like thank you. Magic words. M-A-G-I-C. Magic. So these are magic words. Which are the magic words? please, thank you, sorry. Okay, so these are the magic words which you have to use whenever it is necessary. So I use magic words like thank you. M-A-G-I-C, magic. See, I do not share my dash with others. Towel. T-O-W-E-L, towel. I do not share my towel with others. T-O-W-E-L, towel. Next, I wear dash clothes. I wear clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. Okay. C-L-E-A-N. I wear clean clothes. Next, I do not eat dash food items. Uncovered. U-N-C-O-V-E-R-E-D. Uncovered. You should not eat uncovered food items. Always the food should be kept covered. Is it? You should not eat uncovered food items. I do not eat uncovered food items. U-N-C-O-V-E-R-E-D, uncovered. So like this you have to fill in the blanks. Next, third main. Can you say which are the good habits? Put a tick mark. See, so which are the good habits here? We'll put a tick mark. Otherwise, we'll put a wrong mark. First one. I daily change my undergarments. Yes, it is a good habit. You should always change your undergarments daily. Okay, I daily change my undergarments. It is a good habit. Put a tick mark here. Second one, I do not take a bath daily. No, it is wrong. You should take bath daily, is it? So put her wrong mark here. Third one, I watch television till late night. It is a bad habit. No, it is not a good habit. So put a wrong mark here. You should not watch television till late night. Okay, you should always early to bed and early to rise. Okay, so it keeps our body healthy. So this is a bad habit. Next, I greet my visitors with a smile. Yes, it is a good habit. Tick here. You should always greet your visitors with warmth. Next, if I hurt someone, I say sorry. Yes, it is a good habit. Put a tick mark here. So you should use, I told you before that, you should use the magical words whenever it is necessary, right? So you should use please, thank you, sorry wherever it is necessary. So if I hurt someone, I say sorry. It is a good habit. So put tick mark here. I do not waste food and water. Yes, it is also a good habit. Put a tick mark. You should not waste food or water. Next, last one. I exercise regularly. Yes, even this is a good habit. So you should exercise regularly. This keeps your body active and fit. Is it? You will be stay healthy if you do the exercises. So I exercise regularly. It is a good habit. So like this you have to tick the good habits right mark or else wrong. So like this you have to fill the exercise. First main, cross the odd man out. Second main, fill in the blanks. And third main, say which are the good habits, put a tick mark. So like this you have to fill the exercises. Okay children. So classwork part I am going to send you in the ULO notes. Copy down in your classwork neatly. Okay. So here I am going to end the session now. Okay children. Thank you.